If you want to connect your Namecheap domain to Google Search Console, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify a Namecheap domain in Google Search Console step by step, so you can prove ownership and start tracking your site in Google Search. This is one of those setup tasks that sounds technical at first, but once you follow the steps in order, it's actually very simple. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and SEO tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, sign in to your Namecheap account. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard. From there, look for the domain you want to connect to Google Search Console. When you find it, click Manage. This will take you to the settings for that specific domain, where you can control DNS and verification records. Now open Google Search Console in a new tab. If this is your first time using it, you'll need to add a new website property. Click Add a Website and then select Domain as the property type. This is important because the domain option covers the full domain, including all subdomains and protocols. After that, enter your domain name exactly as it appears in Namecheap, then click Continue. Google Search Console will now generate a TXT record for verification. Copy the TXT record provided on the screen. This is the code that proves you own the domain, and you'll need to paste it into your DNS settings in Namecheap. Next, return to Namecheap. Inside your domain settings, open Advanced DNS. Before adding the record, make sure Namecheap Basic DNS is selected under Name Servers. This step is very important because the DNS records must be managed through Namecheap for the verification to work properly. Once you've confirmed that, click Add New Record. From the record type options, select TXT record. In the host field, enter the @ symbol, @. This tells Namecheap that the record applies to the root domain. Then go to the value field and paste the Google verification code that you copied earlier. Double check that the code is pasted correctly with no extra spaces or missing characters, because even a small mistake can cause verification to fail. After that, click the check mark to save the record. At this point, the TXT record has been added, but depending on DNS propagation, it may take a few moments before Google can detect it. Sometimes verification happens almost instantly, and other times it can take a little longer, so don't worry if it doesn't work right away. Now go back to Google Search Console and click Verify. Google will check your DNS records and confirm whether the TXT record has been found. If everything was entered correctly, your domain will be verified successfully. Once that happens, you can start using Google Search Console to monitor indexing, search performance, and site health for your website. And that's it. You've successfully verified your Namecheap domain in Google Search Console. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and leave a comment if you want more SEO or website setup videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.